All right, what's up guys? Today we are going to be doing a speed test of the Hildagard. Go try. Find out how much this thing weighs. So we're going to see how this turns out. It's a 6S running on Grapner E-props. They're the 10x5. If the ESCs don't go up in a ball of fire on the first run, we've got some Grapner, what are they, 10x5x3 E-props that we'll throw on there and see how that goes. It's gonna, they'll be toasty. So let's do this, let's see. Oh, one other thing. We have Tim right here who's going to be chasing it. And we got Jonathan who's gonna be doing the radar gun. And over here we have Dan on the gimbal.
Hey.
Thanks. Okay, so now we finished the first run with the 10.5 by E-props, and we got a max speed of 85. We're switching it up to the tries now and see if we can beat that speed. Tim likes beating things.
You gotta remember, it's all in the
Class
technique.
clown.
You gotta remember the pelvic. Woo! That's a SpongeBob referencing.
References.
Wow, that's a reference.
Hey, man.
Ruh-roh. We'll cut that one out.
A reference?
That's right.
Yeah, man.
That's why I said ruh-roh.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the Grapner E-prop 10.5.3s. Hopefully we'll get a better result. Switch to the battery.
You're conducting a battery of tests.
We got our local comedian over here.
It's a little lipo humor for you, you know, battery of tests, because it's a.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so here it is. Thank you, Jonathan, for helping get the speed. We got 90 miles an hour on the last run. Again, this is an almost 5-pound all-up weight, 10-inch quad with the Gropner 10.5 tries.
Look at that
And,
size difference.
We got some great chase footage with this. I'm gonna put this together for you guys and we'll see what it looks like. Thank you, everybody. Dan, thank you for filming with the gimbal. Thank you for your audience.